we got a delivery from this make, Enginehawk, and we're going to open it. You like that? Alright, cut. Delivery from Enginehawk. We're going to do an unboxing. There we go. So I'm going to cut down this side, down there, down there, along the front. Oops, trying to cut myself. There we go. I'm messing with my camera. I'm hoping this works out all right. So it should be open now. Oh, got a little bit more here. All right, here we go. There's the first Enginehawk logo. Let me open it up. Enginehawk was born to revolutionize the motorcycle industry and completely redefined what motorcycle power can be. Welcome to Enginehawk. Hold on before you open. You've been waiting for this moment, so savor it. Record and share your unboxing. That's what I'm doing. I will put that there. To my knife. Now, I don't want to damage this sticker. I'm going to peel it off. It's nice paper. Damage the paper. So there should be an Enginehawk bag. Here is the Enginehawk bag. And in my Enginehawk bag is my thermal bomber. Oh, and there's armour in there too. So in here we have my bomber in size large. And this is the SAS Tech back armour. And I'll put the Enginehawk bag down. And here is the Enginehawk 50 cal jacket in size large. And here we go, he's got two poppers, he's got a zip, he's got the lanyard, you can use that for something, and it has this very sweet thing. Alright, let's get the armour, because I don't ride without no armour. Get in there, you wee basser. There we are. Now I'm going to adjust this camera and put it on. Oh, it's stiff as hell. Shoulder armour got a bit folded up. Do it up. It's stiff. It's because it's cold. I am glad. I was worried that the large would be too big. I didn't need to worry about that. Yes. Oh, that's nice. Let's go upstairs and have a look in the mirror. Cut, and I'm going to go and look in the mirror. Enginehawk 50 cal, first ride. It's overcast, it might rain, but I don't care, because I get to ride in my new jacket. I'm not going far though. See the Enginehawk logo on the back? It's pretty cool. So first ride of my Enginehawk 50 cal jacket in size large. I'm also wearing the thermal bomber. I was very worried about the size, but it seems to be perfect. I thought it might be too big. I don't think it's a little snug with the thermal bomber underneath, but that's fine. Onto the slip road. Here we go, 70 mile an hour in my Enginehawk leather jacket, the 50 cal. I need to seal it up at the back. I'm getting a draft down my neck. Apart from that, it's fine. So what I'm actually wearing is my Knox merino wool base layer. Over the top of that I have the thermal bomber and then the jacket. Normally I'd have a shirt with a collar, so that's probably why I'm getting a bit of a draft. Well, it's fine. Oh, there's the rain. Bit of a sprinkle. It's all good. It's all good.